Bishop. So my guys, yeah, this is Ralph Mega. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today na le ko ni mo toro go taka chelete. Ba nna ba chelete wa ska wona ba se. Ba bona le mbe le ke chelete. So ba fit la tseba. Go to YouTube, search Ralph Mega TV. Then you will find me. Click the subscribe button and click the like button and share ba fit. Ba kopela ba fit. Gore go le ke na so ke le share le botele batho ba te ba share.
Yeah, are supporting one of our share of mail. Are YouTuber our subscribing, liking, re YouTube media na liking. Are go like a channel, go like a entrepreneur, not money is a different thing. Entrepreneur.
Yeah, go thoma business go run a business specifically mo sekolo la bona.
Yeah, we very entrepreneur and academics.
Yeah.
Entrepreneur in academics.
How to balance the two for survival you are no push you are. So guys, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my channel. I just started it as kind too much. So I policy job right now already. Go tsamaya ba ga mo business ya gago gore push you are things like that, Brian.
Hi. Let's like, subscribe the channel, then Jomana tell our friends get your another mission. My name Wale and I say it's an entrepreneur. I really learned it formulating and adjusting his own business. Oh, we shall be very well out and so what talking about wow or a business I'm name where Gimola Varemo to Gimo to Gawa. I want a peasant, it's a peasant by other people. So yeah, na more people like we very entrepreneur. Now we very work out family. This salon na nika because na wana before rest ahola na wala halo but we were never kurekisha. So my mom was saying at the high school I was in Elena there and I was doing grade 9. So ndike chawa batho kere majita batho ntse cause merja chi scale batho wala wa bona wala wa bona chi se mo. So kere ai batla re au chekila ba ite mama wa re bisha and so on. But so ekidia grade 10 that's when I realized about I man a calling is a calling. I only know what I chava wa but if something is yours it's yours. Cause some of them was more na bona e ba ya ho kya. So when I have to do what you are good at, what's a chave selo, Udiega Gaga, Kamata or Gamgana one. So you learn like from and a bile, Lena gets an Elanamu. So last year I started being a student in Nanamu Chichi. Cause of MS facility and 1.5. Then I got one or two kind of idea. Yawarana and pusha and a longer. Ke kgone go reka selo le selo le nna ke swanele bana ba ka next door. So ke ge ke thoma go rekisha mai. It was never easy when studying because of ke thomile go rekisha mai more I say and I was not known. It le say ile gore ke nna ka bana ke tlile ke gona. I was not known by anyone, so it was never easy. It was so difficult. The first thing, there's nobody who's knowing me. I want to introduce a product, so it was so difficult for me. But as I am doing this qualification of entrepreneur, there's a module that we're doing is marketing, so it gives us more brilliant ideas how to market the product. So I have to come with an idea how can I market my product. Get home and market advertising in post. Faka i-post gana mo ifaka gona ba tseba ye bona ra futhi wa ifaka after 2 minutes o kira ise gona sanyo ro fake mo wa ifaka after 2 minutes o kira ise gona. But so until people ban recognize because ekibeke ya na mo kibeke ya gore ka mai ne ke tla lona in balka gore ba kgone go bona gore ke sore mai ba ke butshi gore na daman maya wa yo ro di anga wa then ba tuma butshi se ke insang that's why we started making my customs. So it was so nice making my customs. Then the process ya go rekisha le yona iseng ya go nna because go rekisha ma student ke tlo go nyaka yuan mo gare ga go iwa tšea then ke tlo go nyaka yuan and business ya affected. Remember wa stoka kana tšhelete ya gago ye le gore le yona then ke ne ya Ralph Mega my own tlo nyaka yuan ka yuan e tla ke mmone and as fast as only does 3 days in the account. Then every time I check I'm on then my business is running to a loss. But so as an entrepreneur, you know what I must put by all my force the manner the honor now with everyone. So but then anyway, anyhow, some I was then lately this year that the manner I introduced another thing into my business. My business was expanding. Then I want to initial arch since Banaba school about my arch then Kitama Chandrama then Katama Orisha arch it was very everything then I usually so far so good you know Japanese people are not I didn't know what the Honorata Sela the Sela is one of the local Ralph Kamo and Jamu Chanel the Dorhono relation and I'm not there and if it's like one more get on one picture then I go home to Tabai or Mahona will develop channeling only one of Bahono by Karish, what's the one Otoma, Unotoma, I also get more rolling in Otoma. System is the one who also Otoma gas one. When I get patient Yara, what should do to me the one we treat Taliban or to me more or hotel like one guy, Girojo working.
Yeah, we never show Yawako, but then because but student or it's much student fair about to come fair Babala get price this day or taga price a bonama banangare or something when now we really got our price is set up and then they complain we really got now they complain and when now okay down over one up we really got our price.
Yeah, you came with challenges because of remember, every product, the one the cost price. After cost price, each of them or like a product they are from the supply or wherever or like a product they are. Then after more, go to a markup each of them is a profit. Then we jump markup all our what kind of cost price. Then it is already selling price will go to reach about the guy. Yeah, mostly all of the time, variety to be wrong. Because of motor order or complain about price. Our Boja when I appear about today to your competitor. Eka only ka 1 rand. And only village who's your competitor. Your competitor is someone who could it's a company that it's very big. A company that it's going to stock in very high numbers of bulks. Remember, all a bulk, then offer discountage. So that's why Jawona competitor Jaga price you come over fast than Yagaga because of one hour's talking bulk. But so Vowel over product again, they just come and give money. Complain about it. They must complain. The customers are all complain. Then give money. And then they support business.
Okay. So far competition around the morning, how is it?
Competition is there. Competition is there, and competition will forever be there. But the most important thing, how do you market your product? That's the most important thing. How do you pitch your product to the people? That's what matters the most. Because I have a product, then like I have the product. But the way you know what advert our product, the way you know what before distribution, I don't go distribute about what you the way you know what go jump a custom product down. Because of the more what I would say we are polite to our customer, the more we make a strong relationship between you and your customer. Then the man automatically will deal with more branches of customers, a more of customers. Because once you treat the first customer right, Then he tells the other one that that guy is a very good supplier, then you can also go to him then. But the competition is so high. You know, this time I want to
So my guy, yeah, we'll go if you go edit that. So far, when in business, you know, when I like business, what's your future plans about your business? So, I get out of a school.
Hey, this thing of me being an entrepreneur, it started at a very early age when I was still in high school. So I'm still seeing myself very far. But when I was still in high school, I didn't see that it was a living. I didn't see that it was a calling. I thought it was just something that we do because we want to buy a meal and everything. But so now, the time we talk about Namumba City, yes, I'm doing a course here entrepreneur. So the Tomo one out, I was saying entrepreneurship is the way to life. Everything we are doing business. Anything we're doing, being on YouTube, we are doing business. Want people to support our business. Yeah. Buying a product from someone, we're doing business. That was everything we're doing business. So we're at the start now, then we wanna build our business for the future course so that we can employ people. So we wanna lockdown maybe but so then like we shall in the future and I want to a very big company. The way look a dominator to the economy. It is unemployment rate or AFS is available in the
Yeah. Ogaba plan na every day. Ogaba motivate a guy via business or anything. Ogaba motivate a guy about total life today. Ogaba motivate a guy.
Yeah, that's what Java. So never get ashamed who you are. Do what you are good at anytime and be proud of that thing. Because of re tšhaba batho ba tlo re mola re sa tsebo rena batho ba bona ba diang o kry-a yona nto e le gore wa tšhaba gore batho ba tlo re e tlo gola ba bane so nto e nngwe le nngwe le nngwe nna kere goba so nto e nngwe le nngwe e le gore ba bute gore they must be proud of that thing and do it by all their energy ba sa tšhaba gore ana ba diang and ba tsebe gore wherever they are e le gore ba ile sekolong ba tsebe gore ba ile sekolong but so o sa nyore ba lebelle sekolo sa bona ba sa lebella rona batho ba tlo re because batho bona ba tlo re that's the very difficult part ke part e le gore ya tseng dilo tše ntši ya senye because of re tšhaba rona batho ba tlo re re sa tetebella re lebella le batho ba tlo re
okay go na le question e ke nyako le lebala how do you balance the two academics business how do you balance the two
academics and business di balance ka gore since the course I'm doing really entrepreneurship and the thing that I'm doing it's an entrepreneurial so it gets more easy because dilo tše ntši tše le gore ba ntaka tšone dilo tše le gore ke dia in practical practice or what there's a module ba re ke personal selling e ruta gore na go sa nyere ke bolele jwang di customer e ruta gore ke swanetse gore na ke rekiše jwang there's a module e le gore ke idea ba re ke marketing o ruta gore na go sa nyore ke advertise jwang product ya go sa nyore ke expose product ya to my customers jwang wa bona so e ba more easy because dilo tše ntši di tšela class then nna ka tetekela tšona e practical then ke mane ya fetša ke ba successful
okay monna we should go for the count boni re kgopela le re botse bana gore lockdown e affectile ya business ya lena gore ke se ka tswa ke botse dipotso ga ntšintši le ga ntšintši o kgone gore botsa le gore di-funds tša go thoma business ya gago di tšere kae things like that
alright re ke thome ka mo ya lockdown ya e tlo thoma it was around early March early March I remember next time I was talking about so I had to give that stock away for free. Because of my customer, some of my is fresh and goods. So the only thing that I went with it home, really I check out a packet. because you know I can only keep around kids were about the day. But so I had to give some people who left them with you know more for free. For instance, what was on the woman's about cleaner, then they must give it. I gave them for free because they're my customers. Even someone for free to your customer, you're not losing. I think that thing it's making a very strong and valid relationship between you and them. Next time when they're thinking of going to buy something, going to buy a product somewhere, they won't go. Because they will be feeling bit like, how can we live? The person who has been grateful for us, the person who gives us something for free and he never asked for money, and we go somewhere, we must go to buy that person. So some other time, giving free on your business, giving free to your customers, it's making you have a valid relationship or a strong relationship between you and your customers.
Before you continue, that loss affected your business?
The loss, yeah, automatically when you buy the product, then you give the product for free, it will affect your business. The loss affected my business, and I was never worried. I was never worried about getting a loss to my business, because the main thing that I'm all after, being an entrepreneur or as a student, getting into business or as a student, I wanna learn and get prepared for the future. As I'm doing my academics, going to class, skill over by everything. I wanna learn, I wanna get knowledge and get prepared for the future. So I'm getting prepared. The thing that I'm doing, the one that I'm giving away, is making me more much to get prepared. On that question, fundings. Another funds that I've used to fund my business. The monthly allowance in over like 1.5 is the one that I've started my business with. And I remember I started my business with 1.2. Yeah, took the 1.2 all of it, then I bought the stock. And again, I only made posts. Then I had to risk. If you want to make business, you must risk. Yeah, I had to risk for a business that is successful. I didn't buy a lot of cruiser. I bought that minimum of the cruiser that I bought, but everything went well. Then at the middle of the month, I made all that money that I capitalized to my business. Then it was fine. Then the other profit, then and I feel like I till to the stage where I'm making a good money, so I must register my company. My company is already registered. It's about Unity. It's registered.
Yeah. The other thing, the other important thing is to register your company, guys.
Yeah, it's very important to register your company, and register your company. You must have a bookkeeping for everything that is happening throughout your company. Record everything. I grow up not earlier before the lockdown. This thing you're recording. The only funds jail or make sure about small businesses. Business now I didn't be able to claim that money because I didn't have anything to show that I was selling and making profit and making a loss. So but so I advise people, whoever who wanna go in the business, retail, register a company after, make sure that you've got a record everything that is going on in the company, all the losses, all the incomes and everything. Then lately you're gonna thank yourself. Because of it go to funds. Funds all other sponsors somewhere. That's how my business is operating. That's the money that I can make per month. That's the money that I'm spending per month. But then not from a sponsor. I want something in practical. What's a project from your
Okay, if you want to add something, you can add Maranagana or Batubagabat Bokwele, Babushi or business, how to start it, how to manage it. Or have faith in yourself. Push harder and harder. Please. This is what I always say. How a lot about you push it with Jao. But when you go to Adam, you go
YouTube channel then they must continue watching regularly, they must continue watching. Maybe some other time they can get something away. it will pass into their life, something that it can change in their lives forever. Maybe some other time Bagakira posted something more on so the luckiest people you have available YouTube channel and never forget good people. Let's subscribe and share this channel or le Ralph Gamule and Ahonova a very noble person. Motelo what's like about Motelo or Lena Bonelli likes Genju Lady subscribe Genjia.
Okay, rara ngwa boi.
Yeah,
Next time ba ne re le khopela o di video le la no tabanta gore batho ba khone go learn from lena. Lo tse ding tshi to ithuta ka batho.
Yeah,
Ba khone gore lo ithuta dilo from motho.
yeah.
O nna tlo ithuta dilo from motho mo tseba. Motho o khone to motho.
Yeah.
So far so good ba nna ba tshira leboga. Batho ba ba talented a leboga. So please go and click subscribe button, like, share with your friends and enjoy the rest of the festive season.